Good morning, everybody. How are you all doing? I've remembered to do an intro right at the beginning of the day. That's a good thing. Right, this morning, as you can see, Merlin is getting a laser set up because we are going to install the soil pipe in the corner here. I'm going to build the doorway leading into the bathroom. So there we go. Busy one today. Let's get on with it. Can you tap that up on that end for us, please, Paul? Yes.
Not very professional.
How much for the hour?
Sorry?
You're done making sawdust. I'm about to take the cap off of the...
Yeah, yes, you can.
2925, I believe.
Don't glue it yet. I'm not yet ready. Okay. Now it's when you want.
Right, going up to you. Coming down to me. Okay. Ready to go down. Okay. Happy?
Happy. Yes, who designed that? Go!
That's it.
Yes. We're in place.
Cool. Lovely. La 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 la. And really. Working. It's like, I've got to put a door liner in. Everyone stop walking through the doorway. You know, maths can't lie, like a machine can be wrong.
Yes.
Do you know
So
what I mean? So,
we will know.
yeah.
Do 100 on your side. Fat 10.
Huh?
A fat 10.
What's on the centre of it, yeah? 991 or 2. So this cannot be trusted. Yeah, look at that, look. Not just over 99, like let's say 99 and a half. But up here, look. And we definitely just 345 that, didn't we?
345 does not lie.
Anyway, that's square and that's fine.
You know the unit in building? It's centimeter, it's not millimeter.
Sure, yeah. When you tell the person that's got a tile around the bath. Yep. Oh, it's tight, you know.
What was number?
Hey. Not a small thing.
450?
460.
460? So 460.
It's tight, isn't it? I think we're just gonna have to move that vanity over. What do you reckon?
Against the shower screen?
Sometimes you've got to look at it to see. I'll clean it up and I'll bring that in tomorrow. I'm really glad I brought this up here now. Here's the thing. In my mind, I was always looking for a little like 300 deep. Do you know what I mean? So it's this here though. You know, I guess if it was like a 350 or something like that, it wouldn't concern me.